Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're gonna be finishing up the car. We have a door and a hood left, and then we're gonna do some headlights and some other stuff. So stay tuned and watch this video because it's gonna be epic. Here we moved to the hood, heated up the hood because it's cold in the shop, and we kind of aligned the material to see how it fits, what the better fitment is. And then we peeled half of the material, had magnets on the other side holding it just to make it safe so it doesn't run away from us while doing the vinyl. And then we did half of it first, just little by little went to the end. It was pretty easy, didn't really need a heat gun or anything like that. And then we went to the other half. I believe we used a little bit of heat gun on the other side because it was already having some marks, and the vinyl just kind of going together in few places, and also like just to fix some of the issues on the vinyl itself. So we just heated it up just a little bit. We didn't do it much, and just laid it flat as well. Hood was easy on the second attempt. The first attempt was just terrible, but if you do it half and half, then it's super easy. I do not recommend doing the whole piece unless you're a professional. So we pretty much finished the hood. It's not black, looks pretty sick. Just leaves a lot of fingerprints though, so just need to wipe it a little bit, but other than that, looks pretty clean and nice with this car. And yeah, pretty happy with the result. Put a lot of work into it to make it actually nice, and the corners are pretty sick. So now we're gonna move on to the driver's side door. Since I got these carbon fiber side mirror caps, I'm gonna install them right now on this. I added some extra tape, if you guys can see, like some here, second line over here, same at the bottom, and on the other one as well, just for some extra protection. Just want to make sure these don't fall out or don't stick out as the stuff inside the car, because sometimes, I mean most of the time, when people sell things like this that has double-sided tape on it, it's usually not enough. And what tends to happen is once you install it, it's going to be loose on the corners, but I don't want to have that on this one. Now have carbon fiber side mirrors. It looks nice, no bubbles or anything on the sides, because I wrapped this one before and it didn't look that good. So now I just decided to buy the covers, and it looks sick. Moving to the last door that we have, we laid the middle, the top, and then went all the way to the bottom. Once that was done, like I said, the doors were taking us like literally 30 minutes for the whole thing. So I cut the door handle out, then cut the axis, tucked it in. It was pretty easy. Didn't use any knifeless tape there. And then I put the carbon fiber mirrors onto the mirror caps that I ordered, carbon fiber. I put it on the side mirrors just to make it clean and nice. And here you see my brother was painting the calipers. On one side you can see how one of them turned out, and on the other you can see how he was masking it. There was a lot of paper and tape around, and yeah, that's the final product. That's how the calipers turned out. I forgot the Tesla stickers that I purchased for calipers at home, so I'm gonna put them on later when I do the wheels. Well, I had time, and that's how they look. Pretty sick in my opinion. Just a little dark in here, so can't really see them that well, but it looks okay. Not too bad. And as you can see, I have spacers on now, so the fitment is really good. Well, I think the back one is sticking out a little bit and the front is flush, so I really like this fitment. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.